Hey, everybody. Welcome to Opulence Agent Workshop. My name is Brandon Burrell. I'm going to be your presenter for today. All right. So, like I said, guys, understand this is a welcome session. We want to get you guys prepped and ready so that now that you're on the platform, now that you're a part of the team, you can know what's the next steps are so you can go ahead and move forward. A little bit about myself. I am named Brandon Burrell. I am the agent service representative. I'm super excited to talk to you guys. I'm super excited to make sure that I can help you all pass on to the next level within this business, right? So for today's objective, the entire goal is to get you started. That's it. Want to make sure that we give you everything that you need, give you a firm understanding so that you guys are equipped and ready to move forward. So the first thing we'll do is we'll go over computer requirements. Guys, now understand for this job, there are no tablets, Chromebooks, or iPads that are allowed. If there is any of those type of items that are needed, the individual carrier will let you know. But to actually get the job done, we cannot use tablets, Chromebooks, or iPads, guys. So what is accepted, right? Your basic PC, laptops, or desktops, they must have Windows 10 operating system. Your MacBook, iMacs, a Mac Mini, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or Mac Pro built in 2019 or later. But they must be able to run Microsoft Windows via boot camp. So guys, you can find that on YouTube. You can find the instructions on your computer on how to download Microsoft Windows via boot camp. Now guys, understand all of the internet connections must be Ethernet cable connected. So guys, you have to connect it directly into the modem. No Wi-Fi or wireless internet connections allowed. This is to provide our clients with a secure and firm signal so that we don't get knocked out and we can handle the customer calls as best as possible. So a little bit more of the technical stuff. If you have a PC, here's some of the minimum requirements. You guys can go ahead, take a screenshot of this. You can also find this in the background of the Arise platform. But your basics, you want to make sure is Intel I class or better, AMD APU class or better, clocked at dual core 1.4 gigahertz or better. Note that Atom, Celeron, Pentium, and Opteron processors are not permitted. So we want to make sure that the computer you're using has enough memory, at least 4 gigs of RAM. You want to make sure that the hard drive is large enough, about 20 gigabytes of available space, 60 gigabytes or more in total space for it. Operating system has to be Windows 10. Your standard internet connection, like we talked about, hardwired, no wireless connections. The latency is 120 milliseconds. So guys, now the good thing about this, you can actually run a PC check on Arise platform that'll let you know if your computer meets the standards or what you may need to upgrade or change, right? For my Mac users like myself, right? Well, here's the minimum requirements. You want to make sure that you have at least an iMac, Mac Mini, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, anything built in 2015 or later. You want to have at least 20 gigabytes of available space, 60 gigabytes total. Same thing, at least 4 gigabytes of RAM. This one must be running Microsoft Windows via boot camp. You want to make sure there's a hardwired signal and some of the same things we went over. You want to make sure that your USB ports, guys, for both either PC or Mac, that you have a USB port because it's going to be needed for your headsets. And for my Mac users, you're going to need a flash drive as well. Some of the jobs do require dual monitor capabilities. So if you guys have that, that's a plus and a bonus. So some of the additional equipment you'll need, guys, for your job is a hardwired USB headset with phone quality audio, a hardwired telephone and headset based on the program, hardwired keyboard and mouse. I know it sounds crazy, but you have to have a wired keyboard and mouse. You want to make sure that you have a flash drive with at least 32 gigabytes of storage minimum. So for my people that say, wait, I signed up, but I don't have a computer. It's okay. Don't panic. All right. I've listed some links here and I'll make sure we get this out to you guys so that you can actually click on them and go and actually purchase a computer super affordable. But I just remember this, right? Amazon has everything that you need. So you can get started today and order everything that you need. And by the end of the week, you have everything at your disposal. You have everything at your doorstep so that you can go ahead and get your business running and start training. The computers can be of your choice as long as they are up to Orion standards. And guys, like I say, below is a list of things. Once I send this out, if you click on it, it's going to allow you to go straight into Amazon and purchase. Now, guys, for my new people, understand you have to go through training for the job, and some trainings come at a cost, some do not. But the great thing about it, there's a what we call a program picking webinar that they hold every Wednesday at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which was 11 p.m. or 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. Guys, I've said in this class, it's phenomenal. You get to hear from the companies, see what they're offering, find out about any special promotions that they have going on for new hires, as well as you get a voucher. This voucher can be applied to whichever company you choose to work for if they require you to pay for training. Guys, this is great. It's a super good tool to have, and it kind of gets your feet wet with what to expect from each company. So the next step, it's time to find a company that fits you, right? So once you're logged in, you're going to go into the portal and you're going to get to pick and choose which jobs that you want to sign up for. Here you can see the example. We have Carnival as a Carnival travel agent support, Coach customer care, Cinch home services. So guys, as you can see, the course, it even labels the cost of the course, the deadline that you need to be signed up by, and it also will tell you the schedule for my people that's free during the day. You can catch the morning trainings for my people that work and say, hey, I can only do it after work. Hey, we have an evening training as well, right? And each one has their own cost, but you can go and actually see what's available right now so you guys don't have to spend any downtime not working, not getting acclimated with the system. So like I say, in order to start making money, guys, understand you have to go through the training first. Once training is completed, you will have the freedom to create your schedule and dictate how much money you want to earn, right? Now, some companies will allow you to earn while you learn, but understand that the training schedule is strict and required. So we have to make time for this. We have to make sure that we're in all of these classes and we're showing up and we're getting the knowledge and we're participating in whatever assignments that they give. This will help you get started a lot faster. Once you get through training, once you've met the minimum requirements to get out of training, you can now start to set your schedule based on what the company has available and start taking calls from the comforts of your home. So guys, thank you so much for listening to me. Like I say, my name is Brandon Burrell. I am your customer service representative. If you have any questions, any concerns, any feedback, please send us an email at admin@opulencecall.com. Like I say, if you have any questions, any concerns, any feedback that you want to share, send an email to admin@opulencecall.com. You guys have a great day. And guys, let's jump into training as soon as possible and make some money. Talk to you all later.